Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Safety Study Group's YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about the physical properties of H2S. I have worked as an H2S safety supervisor and H2S awareness instructor for a big name Canadian reputable safety company. And today I've decided to share some of the information I've learned with them, with all of you guys. So today let's talk about the physical properties of H2S only the physical properties of H2S and some useful tips here and there. So number one, it's a gas. H2S is a gas. H2S has many names, so let's go with H2S, sour gas, stink damp, hydrogen sulfide. Okay, these are enough names. These are the names of these are some of the names of the gas. It is normally encountered as a gas. This is the physical property of H2S. It's a gas. Okay. Number two, it has absolutely no color. It is it is colorless. There are no visible signs to warn you of the presence of H2S. That is why you have to wear the personal monitor, or really pay attention to the H2S alarms on your work location. So it smells like rotten eggs at very low excuse me, it smells like rotten eggs at very low concentrations, and it will impair your sense of smell. It will impair your sense of smell, meaning your nose will not work anymore. You cannot smell H2S anymore. Okay? This gives you a sense of false security. It means, okay, I cannot smell it, so it's not here anymore. Actually, no, it is there, and maybe the concentration is increasing, but you cannot smell it anymore because your nose is not working. Therefore, do not depend on your sense of smell to detect the presence or absence of H2S. Always wear your personal gas monitor or pay close attention to the H2S alarm system which you have installed in your worksite. H2S is heavier than air. It is, once it is released into the atmosphere, it will try to settle in low-lying areas. So if you have a excuse me, if you have a trench, if you have a cellar, if you have any low-lying areas, so this is a point of release, H2S is coming out, the wind is going this way, yes, it will travel with the wind. So the wind is going this way or this way, H2S is going this way and this way. So if there is a cellar, if there is a hole, or if there is a trench, it will go in it first. If it's full, then it will come out and it will continue traveling. Okay? So it is always going to be in low-lying areas. That is why once you hear the H2S alarm, you must go to the upwind or crosswind muster point. Upwind means if this is your location, you heard the alarm, what do? You have to look at the windsock. The wind is blowing this way. It means H2S is also going this way, so you have to go this way. Okay? This is upwind. So now, the H2S release point is here. The wind is going this way. So H2S is also going this way, you must go this way. This is the upwind. Okay? Upwind. Crosswind is the here or here. So basically you have four directions. Okay? If H2S is going here, you have to go here, here, or here to avoid it. Okay? You cannot go the same way H2S is going. Okay. H2S is very flammable. It burns with a blue flame. Pure H2S burns with a blue flame. And when it's burned, it produces another dangerous product, which is sulfur dioxide, SO2. It is also a very dangerous gas. It is also heavier than air, and it also affects your respiratory system, it irritates your eyes, and if it's mixed with the right mixture, whatever, it will produce acid rain. That is something terrible. We don't want anybody to suffer that. So when you burn H2S, you get sulfur dioxide. H2S is soluble in most fluids, and it will be released if this fluid is 1, depressurized, 2, if it's heated, and 3, if it's agitated. So H2S will be released from the fluid if the fluid is agitated, shaken, or stirred. It's the same thing. If the temperature of that fluid is increased, so H2S will be released, or if it's depressurized, that's when H2S will be released. So is it explosive? Yes, it is very, very explosive. It explodes violently in 2 points, okay? From 1% to 4.3%, it is not explosive. But from also from 46% and above, it is also not explosive. All right? It is only explosive in these 2 points here. From 4.3% to 46%. Okay? I'm saying percent. I'm not saying ppm. It is explosive from 43,000 ppm until 460,000 ppm. Every 1% equals to 10,000 ppm. Every 1% is equal to 10,000 ppm. So H2S is explosive between here, 4.3%, and here, 46%. 43,000 ppm and 460,000 ppm. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. So gas, it is colorless, smells like rotten eggs. It is heavier than air, it is flammable, it is soluble, and it is violently explosive. If there is a source of ignition between 4.3% and 46%, H2S will explode, and most likely it will not leave anything behind. So this was a very short and sweet video, hopefully, telling us about the physical properties of H2S. I will be making another video to talk about the health effects of H2S at different concentrations, health effects of oxygen levels at different levels, and health effects of CO1 and CO2 at different concentrations as well. Until the next video, I've been Ghareeb Shaban Hassan, and I'll see you later.